In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Edge to Internet Explorer mode and enable Internet Explorer in Windows 10 or 11. If you've been navigating the digital landscape and need to view certain websites in the older Internet Explorer browser, this guide will help you switch to IE mode seamlessly within Edge, all without downloading new software. Start by launching Microsoft Edge. Once opened, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser where you'll see three horizontal dots. This icon represents Settings and More. Go ahead and click on it, then find and select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. Next, you'll see a variety of options in the left-hand panel. Your goal here is to find the section labelled Default Browser. Click on it to reveal a set of new options. Among these settings, look for one that says Allow sites to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode. This is your ticket to navigating the web through the familiar lens of Internet Explorer. Click on the drop-down menu next to this option and select Allow. By doing so, you're permitting certain websites to render themselves using the Internet Explorer engine. Now you'll need to apply these new settings. Click the restart button that appears, which will relaunch the browser to incorporate your changes. It's a quick process that doesn't require you to reboot your entire system, just a simple browser restart to get things going. Once your browser restarts, anytime you stumble upon a site that you prefer to view through Internet Explorer, simply navigate to it as you usually would. With the site open, return to those trusty three dots in the top right, click them, and select Reload in Internet Explorer mode. This action will convert the web page into something suitably compatible with Internet Explorer. Keep in mind that while this feature is incredibly handy, Microsoft advises users to engage IE mode only when absolutely necessary. Edge itself is a more modern and secure browser. However, this option does provide flexibility for those niche scenarios where IE is your best bet. In some cases, you might notice that the Reload in Internet Explorer mode option isn't visible. If this occurs, ensure your Edge browser is current by checking for updates. A simple update might bring this option back into view for you. Finally, if you ever decide to switch off IE mode, you can retrace your steps in the settings. Navigate back to the default browser section and select Don't Allow from the drop-down menu. This will revert everything back to Edge's default settings, preventing sites from loading in Internet Explorer. There you have it, a straightforward yet detailed way to toggle between Microsoft Edge and Internet Explorer modes whenever your browsing journey requires it. Thanks for tuning in and happy browsing!